I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She walks to work every day. She walks to work every day. They play soccer on Sundays. They play soccer on Sundays. He drinks coffee in the morning. He drinks coffee in the morning. We live in a big house. We live in a big house. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. I study English every night. I study English every night. She teaches math at school. She teaches math at school. They watch TV after dinner. They watch TV after dinner. He always helps his friends. He always helps his friends. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Water boils at 100 degrees. Water boils at 100 degrees. I go to the gym on Mondays. I go to the gym on Mondays. She reads a book every week. She reads a book every week. We take the bus to school. We take the bus to school. He writes stories in his free time. He writes stories in his free time. The shop opens at 9 a.m. The shop opens at 9 a.m. I clean my room every Friday. I clean my room every Friday. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. They travel every summer. They travel every summer. He listens to music daily. He listens to music daily. We enjoy our time together. We enjoy our time together. I usually drink tea. I usually drink tea. She bakes cakes on weekends. She bakes cakes on weekends. They play video games. They play video games. He studies hard for exams. He studies hard for exams. I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day. The train arrives at 8. The train arrives at 8. She paints in her free time. She paints in her free time. We watch cartoons together. We watch cartoons together. He works from home. He works from home. I like reading novels. I like reading novels. They swim in the lake. They swim in the lake. She always wears a hat. She always wears a hat. He drives to work. He drives to work. She speaks 3 languages. She speaks 3 languages. They read newspapers daily. They read newspapers daily. He opens the window. He opens the window. We clean the house together. We clean the house together. She dances very well. She dances very well. They go shopping on Friday. They go shopping on Friday. He brushes his teeth. He brushes his teeth. We talk every night. We talk every night. I check my email every morning. I check my email every morning. She drinks water often. She drinks water often. They eat dinner at 8 p.m. They eat dinner at 8 p.m. Am eating lunch now. Am eating lunch now. She is watching a movie. She is watching a movie. They are playing football. They are playing football. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. We are studying English. We are studying English. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. They are listening to music. They are listening to music. He is painting a picture. He is painting a picture. We are cleaning the house. We are cleaning the house. I am walking to school. I am walking to school. She is dancing now. She is dancing now. They are laughing loudly. They are laughing loudly. He is fixing his bike. He is fixing his bike. We are watching the sunset. We are watching the sunset. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. She is talking to her friend. She is talking to her friend. They are swimming in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. We are having fun. We are having fun. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. She is working on her project. She is working on her project. They are building a sandcastle. They are building a sandcastle. He is drawing a cat. He is drawing a cat. We are enjoying the party. We are enjoying the party. She is sewing a dress. She is sewing a dress. He is feeding the dog. He is feeding the dog. We are planning a trip. We are planning a trip. I am learning French. I am learning French. She is sending an email. She is sending an email. They are playing chess. They are playing chess. He is climbing a tree. He is climbing a tree. We are taking photos. We are taking photos. I am planting flowers. I am planting flowers. She is shopping online. She is shopping online. They are reading a story. They are reading a story. He is watching the news. He is watching the news. We are eating dinner. We are eating dinner.